Hi guys! Good morning everyone! Yes, it is morning. So, I'm not cooking dinner for today's video. I am going to make something that I don't know how it's going to turn out because this one is real experiment. I was cleaning my pantry and I found this in there. It is a powder for making pancake, but it is ube ube flavor. Look at that. I don't know when. I hope it's not expired yet. But it's not open yet, so I think it's still good. We'll see. But I'm going to make something out of this. So it is ube for ube pancake. But because I wanted to make or to eat some puto, P-U-T-O, guys, okay? For the one who doesn't know what puto is. So, because there's another word with an A at the end is not good. So, but anyway, puto is one of our rice cakes in the Philippines. And this one is made of flour. I'm going to add sweet rice flour. So, this is the glutinous flour. So, I'm going to combine this two together. And I'm going to make some rice cake or puto for today's video. So it is only, what time is it? 9:45 in the morning, guys. So it is breakfast. Maybe it will be my breakfast for tomorrow. So but anyway, the ingredients, I'm going to combine these two, and I'm using coconut milk. I'm also gonna put baking powder just to help with rice, because I don't know if without the baking powder if it is gonna rise. So hopefully, guys, this is real experiment for me, okay? And sugar, butter, and I'm also adding this ube flavor extract, and then makapuno. I'm putting makapuno, so this will be ube makapuno. That's my rice cooker. Ube makapuno puto or rice cake. And then this is the mold that I'm going to use, because I don't have, the mold for shape of the puto in the Philippines, or the small round mold. I don't have that, so we're going to use that one. So I think that's everything, and I already have my steamer over there. I'm going to steam it, and let's start mixing our ingredients. I really don't have exact measurement for this, okay? Oh, this is only one. Oh, there's two bags. There's two bags in the box. So we'll put the whole bag on this one. See, there's another bag. So I'm just gonna use one bag for now, just in case it didn't turn out good. So this is the sweet rice flour, the glutinous rice flour. I'm just gonna add that much, and then I'm going to put, this is teaspoon of the baking powder. So hopefully that's enough. I don't bake, guys, but this is not baking, this is steaming. Our sugar, I think this is too much sugar. Maybe I'll just put that much first, and we'll try it when I have the coconut milk already, because I'm putting makapuno, so I don't know if it's gonna be too sweet. And then we'll put our coconut milk. If the coconut milk is not enough, I'm going to add evap. But I think the coconut milk is actually enough. Yeah, I think 1/10 is enough. Oh, that scared me. There's, I think because the house is so cold. I shaked it. I don't know why that one didn't melt. Yeah, I think that's a good consistency. Because we still have to add the butter. It smells so good. Then I'm going to add the ube to make it really purple color. And this one has a flavor of ube also. You need to be careful with this because it stains. I wanna try it. It's good. It's really not that sweet, so we can add a little bit more sugar. And just a little bit more of the ube. Then I'm gonna put the makapuno. Hopefully guys, this will turn out good. Then I'm just going to cover it. Make sure it's really tight. So now we are ready to steam it. So we'll steam that for an hour, low heat. Okay guys, it's been an hour now. So let's try to see if the puto is ready. Don't drop, don't drop. Gonna wipe the top just in case. I don't want the puto to get wet. Ooh, it looks good. We're gonna try to check if this cooked already. Well, I guess it's done. We'll see. It looks like it's done because it's not sticking on the pan anymore. Oh, it looks so pretty. Look guys, look at that. It's shiny. So I think it's done because it's already shining. Yay! I cannot wait. So we'll turn the heat off. I forgot I have another small one here, so we'll steam that one also. So let's try to remove it from the pan, guys. We'll try. Hopefully I won't ruin it. Ooh. Ah, look how cute. Yay! Ow, ow, it's hot. Ooh. Look how cute. And I'm going to make something for toppings. So for our toppings, guys, I'm going to just cook this coconut flakes. I'm going to toast it. That smells so good. And that's it, guys, for our toppings. And here's our coconut flake, toasted coconut flake toppings. And I just wanna put some on top, just like that. So let's see, guys. Let us cut some. I don't feel like cutting it because it looks so good. Let's try it this way. We'll see what it looks like inside. It's still hot. That looks nice. Look at the inside. It's beautiful. So guys, let us try some. I put more toasted coconut flakes. It's not really sweet, but I really cannot describe the texture. The texture is not like cake. It's not like puto at the same time, but it's really good. It's a little chewy in the middle, I guess because of the glutinous rice flour. It almost have that mochi texture. I like it. I can have this for breakfast. I can taste the nakapuno. I better stop eating because I didn't eat lunch yet. And it is now 11. So, I better save this for my dessert. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. And this turned out to be a good experiment for breakfast or dessert or snack. So I'll see you guys again on our next video. Bye for now.